Phakathi kwezinto ebezithengwa namhlanje ezitolo kubonakale kuthengwa kakhulu inyama yomlenze wengulube igamon. Omunye wabathengi obefuna inyama yegalkuni iturkey ufike esitolo wathola ukuthi usesindwe izinyawo.
It looks like I'm going to have to settle for the lamb. I've been thinking about this turkey for some time, but for some reason, because of work, I guess, I just never made time to come and get the turkey on time.
Abanye abathengi bathi kungcono ukuthenga izipho ngosuku ngaphambi kuka Khisimuzi ngoba izinto eziningi zisuke zisendalini.
Last minute shopping always get the best deals in it, so it's better to come last minute. And there's some people I forgot about, so might as well buy for them.
Ubuholi benxanxathela izitolo i-Boardwalk eGqeberha buthi ngalesikhathi sonyaka baningi abantu abavakashela izitolo.
Usually Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve are our busiest days. We are tracking very nicely against last year's footfall. To date, we are averaging about 850,000 people through the mall from the 1st of December. So we'll probably see about 1.2 by the end of the festive season. So we are doing really well. We're very happy.